Hi, and welcome back to our channel. So on this channel, we talk about making money online, building streams of passive income and just multiple streams of income in general, and basically creating a life that you love. So a life by design, which basically means creating a life that is not kind of centered around a 9 to 5 or anything like that. So if that really resonates with you, then definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps so much, and we're going to jump right in. Depending on the customer's experience with your shop or reception of your products, a customer may choose to give your store a bad review as well as a poor rating. So here's what to do if that happens. First of all, bad reviews, just like difficult customers, are unavoidable, especially for large shops. Every company gets at least one, so you're in good company. You can't please everyone, but the most important thing in this case is to protect the integrity and reputation of your shop. So remember not to lash out immediately or panic. Just follow these steps. So step 1, you'll want to respond quickly and within 24 hours. The worst thing you can do is ignore a bad review. Etsy allows sellers to write a public response to reviews as well as to respond to the buyer who left the review directly. When a customer writes a scathing review, be sure to respond. This is important because if you let the review stand on its own, you risk allowing prospective customers to be turned off of your brand. This standalone bad review is granted validity by your silence, and silence may also imply that you don't really care about your customer's experience and feelings, which is a huge turnoff to potential buyers. This is actually referred to as a free shot. So never allow a customer to take a free shot against your brand's reputation. In the e-commerce sphere, your reputation is all you have. So prompt action will show prospective buyers that you're committed to great customer service, and it shows the kind of problem solving that they can expect in case they run into an issue. So step 2, here's how you want to respond. Be brief and be professional, and avoid a lengthy excuse-filled tirade. Make sure to apologize and own up to any mistakes you actually did make. Even apologize if it wasn't your fault. This just shows professionalism. Also, don't get defensive and deny that your company did anything wrong or blame the reviewer if it was in fact your fault. In reality, most upset customers just want to be heard, so try to have some empathy with how they're feeling and show that you genuinely regret them not leaving your business on a positive note. Without being argumentative, you can frame your business in a positive light by communicating that the customer's bad experience is rare, and you can even include some of your brand's strengths in the reply. In this way, you can still hear out your customer, but simultaneously convey your business's commitment to great quality and service. So, number 3, you can offer to fix the problem or invite the customer to reach out to you privately to resolve the issue. And be sure to follow through with it. When people read the exchange, they'll see that you're being reasonable and that you're willing to work through any problems with the customer. Number 4, do a bit of introspection and learn from poor reviews. For example, if you receive a few reviews that criticize your business's slow service, this means that the experience of this customer is not a fluke or a lie, but something that you can probably improve on. Number 5, moving forward, don't take the review personally. Just move on and focus on continuing to provide great service to your buyers. As time passes, you will continue to gain positive reviews that can offset that negative one. So that's just a really brief video about how to deal with bad reviews. We really hope that it helps you, and we hope that you don't get discouraged. Like we said before, everybody gets them. It just matters how you deal with them, and most importantly, don't ignore them. We have way more videos on our channel that are really helpful for Etsy sellers and just people who want to make money online. Don't forget to check out the description below because we have an entire blog that just features a lot more information as well. And we are coming out with our Etsy course, this month. So we're really excited about that. If you want to grab 50% off, then make sure to sign up today. Have a great day and continue to be prosperous.